Hi guys, Daniel John here and back with another one of our product review videos. So today we're looking at some interior filler made by TOUPRET. It's the quick dry filler. It's up there. They do a range of fillers. It will not shrink or slump, excellent adhesion to easy to sand, no need to spot prime, it will not flash or grin.
Flash or grin means if you paint over it, it'll be the same as the wall which hasn't been filled. That's what it means, grin, flash or grin.
So you've been using TOUPRET filler for a while, haven't you?
Yeah.
And you've used all sorts of fillers, so what is your general experience of their products?
Well, for that box there, 2 kg, it's 16 quid. And the reason I'm prepared to pay that is it's such a good product that it goes off, you can sand it, there's never any problems with it. Where we are today is a very old house, it's not our house. We're just helping somebody along a little bit.
You can use this for a wide range of projects. We're just filling this some plaster that's come out along.
I mean, if
cracked,
you,
so we're filling
I
it
don't know, doing a bit of coving or something, you know, a bit of a gap, you haven't got a jig, you know, to get it spot on, then this stuff is ideal because it will set real quick. All I do is put like a cup of powder in, goes a long way, and then I just mix a bit of cold water with it and leave it for about 5 minutes. This quick dry filler is ready to paint in 3 hours, I believe. So if you need to get a job done, and you can shape it in all sorts. So industry use this, a lot of repair companies use it. Sometimes they've got to get in there and get a job finished. So this is what this is for, basically. So you can get jobs done real quick. But yeah, really good stuff. So they do exterior, interior,
and the exterior stuff is very good as well, isn't it?
The exterior stuff.
You can literally use it outside, and it's absolutely fine. It sets like cement. That stuff does.
Yeah, that is really good.
You can drill it and all sorts.
Really good stuff. That stuff. Anyway, I just helped you along with a bit of filling. Appreciate if you could subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.